Howdy, y'all. As you can see by my festive garb, or maybe you can't. Hi! It's the 4th of July, and we're having a tasty 4th of July meal. Hopefully you can see the griddle at least. We're going seafood today. We're starting out with some butter. And by the way, if you're still celebrating or haven't celebrated or need to celebrate, happy birthday, America. Got this turned down medium low. Maybe I should. We'll start over here with plain old butter. And the plain old butter is getting some waterfront bistro crab cakes. Don't know how they'll turn out. We'll find out. And then, next on the agenda is Chef Chamois garlic butter. Get a good slab on there. Get it. Ooh, it smells so nice and garlicky. I have additional commentary from Miss Baja, who wants me to throw a ball. So, for the Chef Chamois, we have little miniature lobster tails. I haven't done lobster tails. I don't know how this will turn out. Hopefully, deliciously. We shall find out. And naturally, it's time for the air conditioning to come on. We've also got some shrimp kebabs, which I'm holding off for the last minute because they'll take about a minute. I have no idea how long the lobster tail takes. We'll find out. I have no idea how long the crab cakes will take. They're breaded, so I don't know. Which is what makes this so much fun. Every day is an adventure. Ooh, look at that. Looks like an alien, huh? Make sure he gets some, they both get some garlicky, buttery flavor. This stuff is good with like steaks. And I'm suspecting, yes, I said steaks, Baja. When I wrote this script, it was a monologue, not a dialogue. Anyway, I suspect this is going to be yummy on the both the shrimp and the lobster. I've got some Old Bay and Mrs. Dash and ghee set out. But with the garlic butter, I'm not sure I'm going to even need any of that. What do you think? What do you know? Oh, actually, I do value your advice and thoughts. I'm just going to ignore them. No. So, here we are. 4th of July. With the yummy in my tummy. Those are cooking. We don't want to burn them, so I think low is the right thing there. But it may have been better air frying the crab cakes. But you don't know till you try, right? Right. That lobster tail is looking good, smelling good. Let's go ahead and slap us a little on here for the chef whammy wow. This stuff's not cheap, the chef whammy garlic butter, but it is really good. I'm glad it was recommended. So let's just stick us a couple shrimpy things on here. Maybe stick some butter on top to melt. Maybe. It'd be great if you didn't have to refrigerate this stuff, because it'd be easier to spread. And shrimp, so we'll go a little back to a little Old Bay on all of it. Oh, I love my shrimp on the griddle. Well, what do you say we? I think the shrimp's probably close to done. You don't want to overcook your shrimp. When it changes color, you know it's ready, and it continues to cook once you take it off, especially if it's still got the shell. Remember that, it's important. You'll be tested on it later. Should I season this side? I don't think I seasoned this side. Oh, look at that color. Just, can you see it? Yummy. It's just about done. Like I said, I have no idea about the lobster tail because I haven't done lobster tail on a griddle. But it's looking yummy, right? Right. Let's take off our shrimps. I definitely need to get me one of those warming racks on top. What do you think, Baja? We're heating it from the bottom out through the shell, which should help keep it from burning and overcooking, especially with all that yummy butter. I think, hopefully, maybe the crab cakes are done. I don't know if you can see it or not. Maybe another minute. And the alien legs of the lobster. What do you think, huh? Can you even see it? I'm going to declare everything done. I do declare. So, let's take a extreme close-up, maybe. Ah! Okay, it doesn't lend itself to extreme close-ups well, but there's the yummy lobster tail. Yeah, yummy shrimp, crab cakes. We're ready for a Independence Day feast. So, there's our romantic sunset we're sharing together. Isn't it romantic, y'all? We're sharing a romantic moment. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and y'all have a great Independence Day. Bye.